Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very beautiful quilled sunflower greeting card. This is a Republic Day special card and it is very easy to make. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some white, green, off-white, orange, sap green and dark green 3 mm quilling strips, liquid glue, quilling tool, orange color distress ink and foam applicator, scissor, orange and white color cardstock and silicone glue. First I am starting with making the flower petal. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of orange and making one bended leaf shape like this. Similarly, I will create one more bended leaf shape but in little large size. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of yellow and 1/3 strip of orange and doing the same process. Like this. Now I am taking orange color distress ink and adding some ink on top and bottom part of the petal for giving it a little shaded look like this. You can also skip this process if you don't have distress ink. So I have created 20 large leaves and 16 small leaves. Now I am taking this brown color strip, folding this in half, and now I am making some small fringes using my scissor. My one strip length is 45 cm. So cut this till the end. So it's done. In the same way I have created fringe strip using light brown strip. Now I will connect these two dark and light brown strips with each other, and also I am taking one dark brown 5 mm strip and connecting with this. Now start rolling this using quilling tool and make one fringe flower. Secure the end and tap the inside tight coil using backside of quilling tool. So it's done. Now I am adding little glue on the backside of the fringe flower. Let it dry. Now I am assembling the flower. For this I have taken some silicone glue on any paper and now I am adding large petals one by one. Adjust these petals and after that inside this I am adding small petals. Now I will add this brown fringe flower in the center. Let it dry. Now I will show you how to make this sweet ear. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of light brown color and making one leaf shape like this. In the similar way I have created total 9 leaf shapes. Now I am taking one piece of light brown strip, adding glue on both sides, and now I will add the leaf on both the sides like this. Now I am taking one piece of strip and adding between two leaf shapes like this. So now I am adding total 4 leaves on left side and 4 leaves on right side. So do the same process on both the sides. one leaf shape and one strip. And then at the end I am adding one leaf shape in the center top. Also add 2 strips in the starting point. So wheat ears are ready. Now I will show you how to make this leaf. For this I am taking half strip of sap green and I have connected this with 1/4 strip of dark green. So first make a loose coil, then make a leaf shape. Now again I am taking half strip of sap green and 1/4 strip of dark green. Add glue and first make a leaf shape and then bend it little bit like this. Similarly, I have created total 6 bended leaves. So first I will connect 3 bended leaves with each other. Similarly, I will connect 3 more leaves with each other. Now I am adding one leaf shape in the center. Now I will wrap this whole leaf with dark green color strip. Wrap it tightly. Secure the end. So leaf is ready. So we need total 2 this type of leaves. Now I am taking the orange color card base which measures 26 cm by 18 cm and I have folded this in half. Now I am adding some glue in the right side and now I am taking some pieces of strips using orange, green and white color strips and I am adding these strips diagonally in this corner in orange, white, green manner. So repeat this pattern till the end. Like this. Now cut excess strips. Similarly, I will do the same process on other side. So after adding both the sides, it will look like this and I have also added 2 green strips on top and bottom. I am taking this white card base which measures 17 cm by 8.5 cm and I am adding this in the center of the card. I have distressed the edges of this card base using orange distress ink. So I have attached this white card base. Now first I am peeling this flower from the paper, so just cut extra paper. Now I will attach this flower in the center of the card and now I am adding leaves and wheat ears. Decorate the card according to your choice. Also, I have created some 3 scrolls loop bunch. So I am adding these on top and bottom If you want to learn these scroll loop bunches, I have given the link in description box. You can check there. I have added the sentiment best wishes in the corner, and now I am adding some tight coils beside these loops. So I have created these tight coils in orange and off-white color in decreasing order. Similarly, I will add on other side. So after adding these tight coils, it will look like this. Now I am adding 2 more scrolls on left and right side of the flower to decorate it little more. So the card is ready. I have added one white cardstock inside this card to write some sentiments. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.